Like so many people out there, when the pandemic started, Alessia and I fell in love with making memories in the kitchen. But we didn't love the mess and disarray that surrounded us. Cooking new recipes is great, but when you're trying to keep the page or the video open, sticky fingers and stray ingredients become a mess. So we designed an all-in-one, modern, minimal, and functional organizer to take care of everything we needed when creating our masterpieces, without the added digital screen crust. The way it works is simple. The wooden base, made of your choice of top-quality Canadian maple or walnut, features a holder to keep your phone or tablet steady, in addition to 2 porcelain utensil holders, a bottle opener, 4 coasters, and a stylus for hands-free scrolling. To date, we have put substantial work into making Sous-Shelf a reality. We started by sketching the product and then turning our sketch into a 3D design. From there, we connected with local manufacturers, screening out anyone who was not using natural, sustainable materials. Sample after sample, we kept working to perfect our concept. After almost 2 years of fine-tuning our design, we can make our Sous-Shelf a reality and up your kitchen game once and for all. Back our project today and you will help us bring Sous-Shelf to life. We love having the Sous-Shelf around and we are sure you will too. Thank you.